I'm going to do a review of this Roar pedal battery jumper for your car. It does not work anything like I thought it would have worked, but I'm going to show you how it works, give it a review. Rowan, my son, is filming. Rowan, show him some B-roll footage of this thing and say hi. So this is the Roar pedal super cap jump starter, and it doesn't work anything like I thought, because when you start reading the directions, everything is from 0. Like when it's at 0, put it on the battery. When it's at 0, you need to charge it before you use it. And I'm like, why are they giving you instructions for if this thing is at 0? Why can't you just charge it up and then keep it in your car? That I have 5 of these different companies have made different jump starters. I personally own 5 of them. We have 5 vehicles. We always keep it in the trunk of our car in case a battery goes dead. And I'm like, why don't you just charge it and put it in your vehicle? Why does this keep talking about from 0 if it's 0%? And I found out this thing discharges itself. So about 5 days ago, this thing was charged. Now it's completely at 0. By pushing this button, the screen's supposed to come on. It's at 0. So this thing normally just always sits at 0. And what you have to do is to charge it with your battery that's dead. So it says that if your battery of your vehicle is completely dead, this thing won't work. You need to find a running vehicle, charge it from a running vehicle. You need to go inside and charge this thing. It does come with a USB-C. It does come with a cigarette lighter. If you had a friend whose car was running, you could charge this up. There's charging times on this thing for how long it takes. I found them to not be the case. Personally, when I plugged this thing in, it took all night to charge it with a phone charger, and it only went to 57%. Then it took the rest of the next day to charge it with my laptop charger, which is a higher amperage USB-C charger on this thing. But I don't really care about all that. I care if this thing is actually going to work. So we're going to take it to my vehicle, and we're going to see if this thing works. Let's go, Rowan. So it comes with a bag. It's got all the goodies in there. It's got the battery. It's got the cables for the battery. It does have that jump starter thing. Not jump starter, DC charger. It goes right in here, by the way. This is for charging this thing. This is for charging the thing. And then instructions. And you're going to need these instructions because this thing does not work like I'm used to it working. So what it says you need to do is plug in your cables. And this, last time I did this, was a little difficult. You gotta really push it in there. And if it was cold out, that would be even harder. Now this is ready to go. And then you bring it up here to the battery. And this should be very easy. Red to red. Black to black. And then it comes out. So it was completely dead. Now it says charging. It already says 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So it's going up very fast. It's almost at 30%. On the box, it said, or in the directions, it said that you would need 5 minutes to do this. Let's see if that's actually true. I mean, the way it's going up, that seems about right. Let's come back and see what this thing says in 5 minutes. So it's only been 3 minutes, and it went from not even be able to turn on to now 98. Check that out. Let me get the shade in there. It says 98%. And so just another minute. And then, well, it says that you're going to hit the button, and then it's going to do this countdown of beeps, giving you a couple seconds to go into your vehicle. And then I assume it's going to discharge a high amperage flow to you for you to start your engine, move the starter, etc. So let's see. Be back in a minute. So it now says 100%. Actually, only took another second of turning off the camera. So this is my first time doing this. I'm in real time. It says jump start power on. I'm going to hit this. Getting ready. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. It works. Check that out. So that was pretty cool. I mean, it worked just like it said it would. That was pretty cool. Now it says finish. It's all done. You've jumped your car successfully. So I'm going to take these off. I wonder what percentage is that. So now it's at 88%. So it took, I don't know, what's the math on that, Rowan? 100 minus 88. So, I mean, it's kind of a weird, it says that 90% of your batteries, when your battery of your car is dead, that it just needs, that it has enough juice, so to speak, in there to charge this, and then for this to reproduce a big charge to start your engine. So I think it works. Get one. Link in the description below.